Yeah, I wanted to show y'all the inside of my 2020 Tahoe. Has remote start. Here's my favorite part. Has a hide-in space with a USB 8-inch screen. You can lock the screen with a pin too. It has 12-volt plug-in, lots of space, 2 USBs, climate control in the back, another plug-in and a 12-volt, 3 rows that fold down, heated seats. Hold on just a second. It has rear view camera. Rear view camera. It has a little screen here. You can check it, change. It has buttons behind the steering wheel too for volume and seek. But no, it has a lot of stuff. Look how big the storage is again. The mirrors fold in and they're heated. It has parking assist, stabilization, and 4-wheel drive, I think. Mirrors, lock, lights. It has OnStar and it has its own Wi-Fi. It has 4G Wi-Fi. Has a mirror so you can see what's in the back. It'll tell you if something is in the back, like if you left something, storage for sunglasses or something. Buttons for the lights. It has LEDs. Yeah, that's what's up. I'm still figuring it out, or I would show y'all more. Oh, you can, it has navigation, OnStar, and you can hook your phone up Bluetooth or USB, or it has auxiliary input. But yeah, that's all I've figured out so far. I mean, there's a lot of stuff I know, but that's about it.